YouTube gurus have probably lied to you, especially if your channel is still small. The thing is that they usually target small channels because they know that small channels can do anything just to make their channel blow up. They sell fake things to them, like give them fake courses, give them fake tips on how to grow their YouTube channel. All these things can destroy your YouTube channel, and if you keep on following them blindly, you might lose your channel. Your channel might never grow. So if I were you, I will pay close attention to this video. Let's dive in. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel, and I make videos about tips, strategies, and tutorials on how to blow up your YouTube channel. So if you're a small channel trying to grow, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's grow together. On today's video, I'll be exposing the lies YouTube gurus tell small creators like you and I. So make sure you stick around and make sure you pay attention. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Let's talk about one of the most popular lies they tell small creators. This lie is when you use a secret formula and when you use it, your videos go viral. You need to know that YouTube requires patience and growth takes time on YouTube. The viral videos you're seeing today, those viral videos that you're seeing today on YouTube, it came from creators that have been uploading videos consistently, creators that have been improving, creators that have been learning, trying to correct their mistakes and everything. So if you're not like them, these creators that are trying to constantly improve themselves, your videos will never ever go viral. Your channel will remain stagnant and nobody will discover you. So if I were you, I will not listen to YouTube gurus and I will not use any secret formula they are offering me, because that is just a waste of time. YouTube requires patience and requires strategy. So you have to use some sort of strategy if you want to make it on YouTube, and you have to improve on all your videos. Try to be improving. Let your new video, let it be better than your old one. Like, try to constantly improve and try to constantly be consistent. When you're doing all these things, your videos will definitely go viral one day. The second lie they tell small creators is uploading at a particular time will make your videos go viral. This is a big lie, especially for small creators. If you're still growing, like if you're still a small channel, you can actually upload your videos in any time you wish. You can upload it by 1, by 2, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, as long as your content is has value, as long as people watch your videos and they people engage whenever they watch your videos. You don't have to upload your videos at any particular time. You can only upload it at a particular time when you have the audience. That is when you go to the YouTube studio and check your audience analytics. Then you can find out the time that your viewers are mostly online. So if you usually listen to YouTube gurus, they will tell you that when you check your YouTube studio, you're going to see when your audience are online. But the truth is that small YouTubers don't have this info in their YouTube studio. When you go there, you will not see anything. You will not see a single data showing you when your audience are online. So if you're a small creator, you can upload your videos at any time and people will watch, as long as your video content is good. So don't listen to them. Upload your videos at any time and people will still watch your videos. You just have to keep on posting consistently, and before you know it, the algorithm will start recommending your videos to a lot of people, and then that data, that information will appear in your YouTube studio. You will now know when to upload your videos on YouTube. And concerning time, some of these YouTube gurus will tell you that you should upload your videos and wait for 24 or 48 hours. You can unlist your videos and wait for 24 or 48 hours, like to give the algorithm time to understand your video and know who to show your videos to. This is a dirty lie, is a big fat lie. YouTube does not work like that. The YouTube algorithm is very, very smart. The moment you're uploading your videos, the moment your video is going live, that same moment the YouTube algorithm is knowing who to show your videos to. So you don't need to wait for 24 hours or 48 hours for the algorithm to understand your video. You don't have to wait. Just do your video, edit your videos, post your videos, and send it out on YouTube. The YouTube algorithm will automatically show it to those that need to see it. So waiting for 24 hours or 48 hours is a big lie. Don't even do it again. You're wasting your time. The next lie they are going to tell you is your thumbnail and your title fixes everything. This is a big lie. The truth is that yes, thumbnail and title will help you get clicks, but if they click on your videos and they don't watch your video till the very end, they will click off. So it's just a waste. So if your thumbnail and your title is good but your video content is not good, nobody will watch your videos and your videos will still remain stagnant. you have to improve your video content, improve it before you start improving your thumbnail and your title. These two things. So try to improve your video, try to improve your creativity, like, create videos that people want to see, create valuable videos, and create videos that will like make your viewers to watch till the very end. Like, your audience retention. Try to make people watch your videos to the very end. And when you're able to get this, then your videos will go viral. So thumbnail, fixing your thumbnail and your title is just a tip of the iceberg. The other thing that you need to do is try to improve your video content, then your videos will go viral. Some YouTube gurus will tell you that creating shorts is the answer. Creating shorts will give you what you want. The truth is that you can actually get subscribers through shorts. When you're uploading shorts, people can subscribe to your YouTube channel. But the truth is that if you're creating long form content and posting shorts at the same time, it will not work. Your long form content will not get views at all. Your shorts will be getting views, but your long form content will not get views. Why? It's because the people that subscribed to your YouTube channel are mostly interested in the shorts you posted. That is why they subscribed. So if you're posting long form content and you're also posting shorts at the same time, it will not work. Do not listen to them. I am telling you the truth. I've already tried. I've tried it several times and it did not work. The advice I'll be giving you is try to create 2 YouTube channels. You can use one and posting shorts in one, and the other one you can be posting your long form content in the other one. So try to do this. Don't post shorts and long form content in the same channel. You're going to destroy your YouTube channel and you're going to be frustrated. Don't listen to them. The final lie that I am going to be exposing is the one that they will ask you to buy their course. And these courses, they're usually expensive. They will be like, when you buy this course, you're going to succeed on YouTube. The truth is that majority of the things that you need to know about YouTube is already on YouTube, and it's on YouTube for free. You can watch it on YouTube and learn everything that you want on YouTube. And majority of the things I'm teaching you today, I learned it on YouTube for free. So you don't need any expensive course. You don't need any secret formula or any of that to succeed on YouTube. And even YouTube itself will educate you on how to go viral on its app. YouTube itself, when you want to when you create a YouTube channel, they're going to tell you all these things. They will show you everything in your YouTube studio. They will be like, be creative, be consistent, try to get better every time you upload your videos. When you do all these things, your videos will go viral and you'll become successful on YouTube. Don't listen to them. Don't buy any course. Don't buy any course from them. Like, you cannot buy success. Let me just be honest with you. You cannot buy success. Just be consistent and try to get better every time you upload your YouTube videos. Before you know it, you will go viral. Another lie that I am going to be exposing is the monetization lie. Some YouTube gurus will tell you that when you get monetized on YouTube, you're going to quit your job, you're going to be living off of YouTube money and all that. The truth is that there are some YouTubers that actually make money, they make enough money and they quit their jobs and focus on YouTube. Meanwhile, there are some other YouTubers that are struggling to earn $100 in 1 month. So the thing is, do not quit your job. Do not even quit your job before you get monetized. Do not quit your job. And again, before you even start up a YouTube channel, if you're more interested in making money on YouTube, I would advise you to make a research and find out the niche that pays more. Then when you find out the niche that pays more, you can start creating videos on that niche, and when you get monetized, you're going to be earning enough. Until that, do not quit your job. Do not quit your job, because if you quit your job, you will be highly disappointed. Maybe if you get monetized, the first amount you will make will not even be up to $30 or $50. So try to focus on your job. Don't quit your job at all. That is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. If you watched me to this very point, I'm really grateful. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. And again, go to the comment section. Just go down to the comment section and tell me one of the lies that YouTube gurus have told you. Did I mention any of them in this video? And what are those lies that I did not mention? Just go to the comment section and write it down there, and I'll reply you. I will reply all the comments. Thank you so much once more. Please don't forget to subscribe. And again, I want you to check out that video card showing on your screen.